Why do runners from Kenya and Ethiopia keep winning marathons? Is it genetics, training, culture, or something they eat? Let's break it down with science. For decades, top positions in marathons and other distance events have been filled by athletes from Kenya and Ethiopia. Researchers describe this as the result of many interacting factors, not a single magic cause. 1. The big picture. African dominance in marathon running has been studied for years. Reviews of race data and physiological research show that no single explanation works. Instead, altitude, body mechanics, training practices, diet, and culture all interact to create champions. 2. Key factors behind the dominance. High-altitude upbringing and training. Many elite East African runners live and train at 2,000 to 3,000 meters above sea level. Growing up and training at altitude improves oxygen transport in the body. It increases hemoglobin and helps deliver oxygen more efficiently during endurance running. Studies measuring maximum oxygen volume and running economy confirm these physiological benefits. Running economy and body shape. East African runners often have a body type that favors endurance. They tend to have lighter body mass, long and slender legs, and efficient biomechanics. These traits reduce the amount of energy required to sustain race pace. Culture, early activity, and motivation. In many regions, children grow up running or walking long distances daily. Running is also celebrated socially and culturally, while success in sport can change a family's economic future. This produces a strong motivation and a large talent pool. Genetics. Some scientists have looked into genetic factors, but no single running gene explains the dominance. Most researchers agree that genetics may contribute, but it works together with training, culture, and environment. 3. Does diet play a role? Macronutrient patterns. Studies of Kenyan and Ethiopian athletes show diets that are high in carbohydrates, moderate to low in fat, and adequate in protein. This aligns closely with sports nutrition recommendations for endurance performance. Local staples. Common foods include ugali, made from maize, injera, made from teff, porridge, rice, and potatoes. These foods are simple, minimally processed, and provide the carbohydrates needed to sustain heavy training loads. Energy balance. Some athletes go through phases of reduced calorie intake before races to reach an ideal racing weight. This can enhance performance, but it must be managed carefully to avoid energy deficiency. Micronutrients. Micronutrients like iron and vitamin D are important for endurance athletes. Thanks to altitude adaptation, many East African runners maintain strong hemoglobin levels, which supports oxygen delivery. Conclusion on diet. Diet supports performance, but it is not the main reason for dominance. Instead, it works as part of a larger system alongside altitude, training, body mechanics, and culture. 4. Practical takeaways for runners. What lessons can other runners learn? Consistency in training matters more than shortcuts. Focus on fueling with carbohydrates around hard workouts and races. Don't expect diet alone to produce elite performance. Training, recovery, and body composition are crucial. If you train at altitude, monitor your iron levels and energy intake carefully. 5. Key takeaway. East African marathon dominance is real and fascinating. Diet helps, but it is only one part of a powerful combination of biology, environment, and culture. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to us for more informative nutrient facts.